floods, locusts, disease, wars, rumors of wars. What's next? I'm going to tell you what we experienced here in the New York area. So stick around. All right, YouTube friends, welcome back to another episode of USA to Philippines Life with me, Mike, your host. So Hurricane Ida. Hurricane Ida crashed into New Orleans, Louisiana the other day, a few days ago, and it tracked up through the middle of the U.S. and it hit us direct here in the New York area, dumping upwards of 9 inches of rain on this area, which doesn't handle 2-inch an hour, 3-inch an hour rainfall very well. We were stuck in the house last night, our street, which doesn't often flood. I have a full-size Ram pickup truck, and the water was up to the side steps. We got a little bit of water in the basement, which the missus is finishing up mopping up downstairs. We've got no hot water. We're waiting for that to dry out so we can relight the hot water heater. We only had about 5 inches down there, but it was a long night. We were up all night. Neither of us went to work today, obviously. If you've seen the news, you know that everybody's in the area here, New York City area here, is dealing with the aftermath of Ida, which was a hurricane for Filipino friends and family, same as a typhoon. So that's what the story is here. Gonna run some video of what we experienced. It's been exciting, but hey, we thank God for His grace, mercy, and love, and we understand that we go through these challenges in life. We don't know why we go through them. This isn't my first flood. I've been through several in my life. A couple big ones when I owned my home years ago in a neighboring town. So this really, what we got here was nothing compared to what I've experienced before. But to those who are who really got hit hard, my sympathies. I know what it's like, wish you the best, wish you well, and wish for everybody's speedy recovery from this crazy storm. So hope everybody's doing well where you are in the world. Stay well, stay safe, and stay blessed. And we will be back with another video very soon. Thanks for stopping by.